stop on it.
Is it gone?
I think so. Wait.
Yeah, it's gone.
Hold on.
It's gone. It's gone, I swear.
It still smells. It doesn't smell gone.
Does it smell gone?
No.
Do we have anything else that we can throw down there? It just sprayed up at you. It was awesome.
Oh, I can smell it.
No, you can't smell it anymore. It's okay. What else can we throw down there?
I know.
Ooh. Eggs? You want to try
Yes,
eggs?
let's do it. I used to do eggs all the time, but we have to do it dry.
Alright, let's do eggs.
Okay, remove the thing.
There's only like 7 left of them.
Ready?
Those are the 7 you could use.
Ready?
Alright, go.
See it spin?
Oh, it smells like...
Egg.
No, it doesn't smell like egg. It smells like a mixture of
Do it again.
vomit and
Okay.
And tuna.
and tuna, yeah.
I got on my hand. Oh, this
I got it in your eye.
Oh,
You're a
you're
samonila. Wait. I got something for that. Where's your eye drops?
is. Okay, I'm ending the videotape because we're gonna get out of control with it. Like seriously. We are insane.